Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix page isn't available problem on Instagram on your iPhone. So guys, if you're using your Instagram on your iPhone and you are facing this problem, here I will show you how can you fix it. So for that, simply watch this video till the end, and here I will give you some possible solutions that can help you to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that simply close the window of your Instagram, and after this open your Instagram again and check if the problem has been fixed or not. So as after this, make it sure that the post or the page which you are trying right now is not deleted from the other side. So guys, check the page and the post whether it is deleted from the other side or not, and after this go for your next solution, that is you have to make it sure that your internet connection is working properly. And after this go to settings, and from here you have to scroll it below and tap on general, and scroll it below, tap on VPN and device management, and make sure that there is no connected VPN in this device. So guys, after this go back and you have to open your app store and now search for Instagram. So guys, search for Instagram and you have to simply download the latest version of Instagram, or you have to update your Instagram in your device. So I do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.